Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. National record holder Frederick Dacres got the first ever Diamond League win by a Jamaican in a throwing event today, taking the discus throw in Stockholm with an impressive 68.36 meters. Dacres now owns the three biggest throws for the year, having thrown a national record 68.88 meters and 68.67 meters in February. The 23-year-old follows up his second-place performance from the Diamond League meet in Oslo on Thursday, where he finished second with a best throw of 67.10 meters. Dacres defeated World Championship finalist and hometown favorite Daniel Stahl, who was second with 68.13 meters, with Andrius Godzius of Lithuania third with 67.29. Meanwhile, Jamaica's Ryan Shields ran a wind-aided 9.89 seconds for third in the men's 100 meters, which was won by Canadian Andre DeGrasse, who ran a wind-aided 9.69. The race was aided by a 4.8 meter per second wind.